In this video, I will take a deep look into the world of Flora AI to see if this platform truly lives up to the growing hype, and if it is the right choice for your creative needs. One of the most significant advantages of using Flora is the impressive speed at which it generates high-quality visual content. Whether you are building a brand or just experimenting with new concepts, the speed of the interface allows for rapid iteration without the steep learning curve found in professional software like Photoshop. The user interface is remarkably clean and intuitive, making it a dream for beginners who might feel overwhelmed by technical settings. However, it is important to consider some of the drawbacks as well. While the basic features are quite robust, advanced users might find the custom control settings a bit limiting compared to more established competitors in the generative space. The pricing model also requires careful thought, as the free tier serves as a nice introduction but quickly hits limits if you plan on high-volume production. When comparing Flora to other AI tools, its strength clearly lies in its artistic consistency and social media integration. It excels at maintaining a specific aesthetic across multiple images, which is vital for content creators. Flora AI is an excellent investment for your digital toolkit. Choose wisely and enjoy.